The Practk Power Blender is an approachable shape and design for the beauty beginner, providing quick and easy makeup application. It's made of latex-free material that is less porous than competitor blenders, meaning it won't absorb or waste product. This makes the Power Blender extremely easy to clean after each use. When wet, it expands to an impressive 3 times its dry size, allowing you to quickly cover more surface area on the skin. This product is also replenishable, so you'll want to make sure to replace your blender every 3 months for optimal performance. So how do you use the Power Blender? First, wet your Practk Power Blender and squeeze to remove excess water. Use the damp sponge to apply products by bouncing sponge onto the skin. Use the curved side and base to stipple and blend foundation. Use the flat surface to sculpt and accentuate facial features by contour and highlighting. You can also use this side to set your makeup by stamping powder onto the skin. For the best application experience, be sure to follow a cleaning routine to keep your blender free from product buildup and bacteria. To clean, thoroughly wet the Practk Power Blender. Apply 1 to 3 pumps of Sig Magic brush shampoo, liquid or foam. Squeeze to lather and rinse well under warm, running water while continuing to gently squeeze. Repeat until water runs clear and allow to dry in a well-ventilated area.